Alright guys, here's a wave scan for October 13th, 2006. In the past hour I took out like 15 stocks because they were illiquid and untradeable, and I replaced them with liquid stocks that actually have liquidity. And I think this is a lot better because it's better stocks here. Anyway, let's start with Akamai. It's got to take a 5290 to set up a number 3, but I think it's got inverse, excuse me, an ABC flat. ABC flat here. Let me see. See, ABC. It's got to take out 52.9. Pretty good setup. See, Under Armour. Wow. Wow. that's what I called this right here. This is a few wave scans ago. I saw this. It was wave 1, wave 2, and I said it was a pattern break there, or take off the third wave. There it is. But it was very difficult to see because the pattern broke. It actually went well above the pattern break, and it faded the next day, and then here it is, boom. That's incredible. I'm seeing Under Armour everywhere, guys. It's like it's popping up. It's a really cool thing now. I'm seeing it on MTV now. Anyway, it's my cousin's company. She's the wife of Kevin Plank. Anyway, Google. It's got to take out 437 at least. If it takes out 437, that'd be a great setup, but it's still going sideways off that YouTube news. Still a good shot though. I mean, let me show long term. I mean, it broke there's a triangle break right here on Google's long term. See, triangle break right there, and it's right above it. It's got a ways to go. It's got to take out like 452. If it takes that out, it could be continuation of the rally, and could have a good shot at 470, 472. Anyway, what is it? Yahoo shouldn't be here, but it's liquid, so it could be 5 waves down, completed. But it depends on how far this retraces. It might try. I assume it might rally ahead of its earnings. It might. But their pre-announcement was pretty bad. Anyway, Amazon actually tried to set up a pattern break here, and then it kind of bombed. It didn't bomb miserably. It takes that 33.77. Excuse me. Takes that 33.7. It has a shot in the upper 3, but I don't like it when this happens. You get a pattern break and it fails the next day. It's not a total failure, but it's not fun when that happens. Okay, here's some of the new stuff that's coming up. Adobe. Cool. Let's see. That's a big spike. Long term looks pretty good. It's closing in on a long term pattern break. Come on, let's go. Load. There we go. See, it could be a long term pattern. See this? That could be wave 2 right here. The big drop, Adobe. This could be wave 2. It could be setting up for wave 3. If it takes that 42, this could be exciting. It could set up an upper 3. Let's see a target. Looks pretty good. I love this wave 2. Yeah, that could be wave 2. Wow. Let's see. Could double from here. If it takes that 42, it could double from here. Could. Gotta take out 42. Excuse me. That was 41. That's a good setup for Adobe. At this upper 3 setup. Something to watch. Something to trade. Not now though. It faded off the gap. Okay. CHK. That has upward ABC. Upward ABC. Halliburton. ABC. I mean, that could be a 3, but right now it's right at ABC length. I mean, I just don't believe that they bottomed. It all depends on the earnings. See what happens during the earnings, because the earnings haven't come out yet. And I think a lot of these stocks that have been beaten up are going to rally ahead of earnings, and that's the big ones come up next week. So let's see Hanson. Checks at 32.6 because I have an upper 3. 32.6 in Hanson. You want money? I'm assuming same thing. ABC upward. I figure all these stocks have been beaten down like heavily are gonna rally ahead of earnings. Yeah, looks like an ABC. It only makes sense. Like Yahoo and like oil and gold stocks have been beaten down. The last ones to catch up. Anyway, Apple has a big move. I mean, this could be another pattern break. It's got to take out 77.77, if I remember correctly. Yeah, that's what it is. If we get a wave 2 right here, it'd be nice. Get a wave 2 retracement, nice deep one to around 75, and then back over to 76.75. That's what I'd like. I mean, I don't want to chase something because it's going up. That's not how it works, guys. Just because it's up, you don't just buy it. Oh, it's going up. Ooh. You wait for the pattern and then you trade it. That's also what I do. If you want to be as accurate as me, you listen to what I say. So, I mean, I know it's up, but don't spaz or go crazy. Alright, VLO probably ABC. I bet you a lot of these oil and gold stocks are just rallying ahead of the earnings. Let's see, SIL. Oh, this one was supposed to come off. I was going to take it off. It's one more stock to take off. Screw that one. Garmin. Caterpillar. Cost. It's got to have a nice wave 2 and then wave 3 setup. No setup here. Rim. It's like a 4 before 5. Flat. A lot of new stuff is later. 4 before 5. Amen. This is a 4-5 pattern break. If you really want to get in there to get a little bit out of that thing, I think that's a 4-5 pattern break. So I wouldn't make a big deal out of it. Ericsson. If it takes that 37.85, should be a good shot. I like deeper tracements of wave 2s and wave 3s. BBBY. Yeah, I'm supposed to take that off too. There's two and take off Silent and BBBY. Take those guys off PTM, Caterpillar, and Tap. NTAP, here's another one I added. Oh wow, just broke a pattern. May have. If we want to watch the close, I'm gonna watch this one, maybe. But it's Friday, you know. I had luck last Friday with Google, but that's Google and it had news. This guy doesn't really have news, but it's that's a good setup on the 3-year chart. This could be good. Let's go 5. Let's go by 5 years. Yeah, this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 setup on NTAP. So could we want to watch the trade in the future, in the video. Yeah, there's the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 setup. I don't think it's happening today though. It has a setup, but it's more like a 4-5 setup. MCHP microchip, I think it's called MCHP. This is a really good chart. If we can load, okay. Oh, there's a pattern break right there. Right at the pattern break. I mean, it's very tempting, but it's Friday. That was MCHP. It has a pattern break. Friday afternoon, though. Novellis. Let's see. I like Novellis because it's liquid. Gotta take out, no pattern. I would call that electronic arts, ERTS. Could be 1, 2, 3, but it's already in the middle of a 3. Already broke the pattern 2 days ago. Qualcomm. Making a big comeback. Well, somewhat. Better than a 32. It's got a long ways to go. ATVI. Already broke the pattern. SanDisk. Oh, that one could be good. Wow. It's a Friday though, that's what I'm worried about. This could be wave 1, wave 2. This could be wave 3 set up on SanDisk. The highest target would be about 65. It would close at the high, but that is perfect, but it's a Friday and I just, It's your call, guys. Do what you want. It's a wrap.